everyone, it's Chrissy, your sweetheart of the seas. Welcome to episode 2, A Day in Venice. This starts on your first full day, and my advice to anybody traveling with a big group or with children is very simple. Hit the ground running. Do as much as you want in that first day. Adrenaline's high, people are excited, and they want to do things. Downtime is actually the enemy at the beginning of a Europe trip. So these are the 3 things we did on our first full day in Venice. Let's go. So day 1 for us started off strong with a 3-hour walking tour of Doge's Palace and St. Mark's Basilica. I originally booked a group tour of this, and Walks in Europe, who I booked through, actually advised me to turn it into a private tour. They were so incredibly helpful and resourceful, and they set us up with the right guide. She was amazing. She was patient, she was helpful, and she was enthusiastic. But the number one thing I'd say is that she was wonderful with the children. 3 hours is a lot of information, but she knew how to find the fun or creepy or interesting elements and really keep everybody entertained for the entire 3 hours. And we all had a wonderful, informative start to our trip. After that, though, it was time for some fun. So we headed over to a cooking class where, as a group, we made fettuccine, ravioli, and tiramisu. You do it in a group setting, and it's a really wonderful opportunity. Now, of all the cooking classes or food classes I've done over the years, this one was not my favorite setup, but I still had a great time, and most importantly, the kids had a lot of fun. It was super interactive, and of course, you get some wine and eat the meal after. But afterwards was the gem of Venice for us, which was our gondola ride. Now, anyone is going to tell you that if you want to book a gondola, you just go to a station and pick it up, and you don't do reservations, and it's a set price. I had this vision of 4 gondolas going through the canal with a musician and a singer, and their voices echoing and us having this amazing moment. I wrote gondolier.com. I went on different websites. I pretty much emailed everybody up to the Tooth Fairy, hoping someone would help me, and either people didn't respond or told me it was impossible. It was my Airbnb host who finally got back to me and said he could make it happen. We all could not believe how talented the musicians were and how clearly their voices echoed through. So my advice is, if you really want something, do not give up till you find it. Watching all our different families' faces, having these amazing moments, separate but together, was something I'll never forget. It was a long day, but it was a magical day in Venice. And by the end, we were all just so happy to have made all these memories together and ended it the only way you can, which is with wine and pizza, of course. I hope you enjoyed this. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and we will see you for the next episode. I air all my new episodes on Wednesdays and Saturdays, so please join us.